Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to open a TikTok ad manager account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So open up a TikTok ad manager account is actually pretty easy. So first thing you need to do here is you need to open up any browser, go to business.tiktok.com, and from here we need to start creating your account. So typically at the very center or the very top here, you should see a get started button. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, it's going to redirect you into the login page, but since we want to create an account, just click on the option that says sign up now. Now from here, the next thing you want to do is you need to sign up. So you need to provide a few details about yourself. So first thing that you need to enter here is your email and the password that you want to use. Now also you need to agree. So by clicking here, you agree to TikTok commercial terms of service and acknowledge you have read the TikTok for business privacy policy. So to learn how we collect data and use and share your data here. Now in this case, go ahead and enter all the necessary details and just click on sign up here. Now on the next page, it's going to say confirm your email. Now in this case, you need to check your email and enter the code that will be sent to that email. Now here, it's going to ask you, tell us about your business. Now in this case, just go ahead and fill out all necessary details here. And once done, you should now be good. Now in this case, first thing they're going to ask you is which best describe your business. So are you an advertiser or an agency? So let's go and choose the option, this one. Now from here, it's going to ask you country and region, and the company name, industry, time zone, and currency. But once you've answered all the questions here, click on create, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.